We're gonna crash! Oh my god! Run faster! Help us! Oh god, look out! We're gonna crash!
Hold on, everyone, hold on!
Look out! The snakes!
The one in the sky is breathing fire!
Look out for the snakes!
Oh god! The crocodile is right there!
Up there! The flying dinosaur is breathing fire! Oh my, hold on!
We're derailing! Help us!
Stay down, kids! Stay down! What happened? Are we safe?
Look outside! They're fighting again!
This is Captain Jackson of the Blue Comet. We have a catastrophic derailment in the northern jungle sector, requesting immediate heavy rescue and medical support. Over. Secure the harness now. Hold on tight.
Next two, get ready!
Clear for liftoff.
You two, grab the rope now. Slow and steady. We're getting you out of here.
Hold on, everyone! Hold on!
We're moving. Look outside. He's pulling us.
All units, maintain the current pace through the mud. We have the package secured. ETA 10 minutes to the repair bay.
We are following the breaking news out of the Tajib jungle. This footage confirms survivors are being airlifted right now. We are getting confirmation that the first survivors are being airlifted to safety.
And looking at the 3D model, the difficulty of this terrain is
I never thought I'd see the sun again.
All aboard, everyone! The doors are open.
We can finally leave. A new start for everyone. Look at that view. It's absolutely stunning.
We finally made it out of the jungle. Thank you. Goodbye, everyone. We'll miss you. It's beautiful. Thank you and goodbye.
Breaking news. The RUST&REVIVAL Grey Amazon Jungle mission has successfully concluded. The train and all passengers have